Ever wondered how a stylish and durable ladies' beige utility kilt is made? Let's take you inside the process from fabric to finish. We gather our materials and tools such as khaki cotton fabric, eyelets, buckles, snap buttons, measuring tools, scissors, blue thread, and a well-equipped sewing machine before we begin manufacturing. In the first step, fabric is carefully measured based on the waist and length requirements. Precision cuts are made to match the desired size and pleat count. After that, we make the front flat apron and the pleated back, the signature style of a utility kilt. Each pleat is carefully folded, pressed, and stitched to stay sharp and structured, offering both style and mobility. Next, we make a waistband and then stitch the pleats and apron with it to make a kilt look. After that, we cut the fabric to create the utility pockets and sewn them on both sides, making them useful, roomy, and perfect for holding everyday necessities. Next, we cut straps of fabric, sew them on the left side for kilt adjustment, and attach them with buckles and eyelets. We punch the snap button on the top front waist and the pocket flap for fastening. And there it is, a beautiful, durable, ladies' beige utility kilt, ready to be shipped straight to your door.